Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about garden tools. And I know some people are looking at me like, what are you talking about? It's fall. Gardening season is over. Well, true, gardening season is over, but I got some advice for you. But before I get to that advice, I'd like to remind those of you that haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now's a great time. Just click that little red button right there and then ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. All right, so you have garden tools and you've been using them all summer and you're done gardening and you just throw them in the garden shed or in the garage or in the barn and you forget about them until spring, right? Wrong. Take a look at those tools. Do they need to be scraped up and cleaned, get all the dirt and rust off of them, oil them up so they don't rust away over the wintertime? Do you need to replace handles on any of them? Or is there something that's bent on it that you need to straighten out? Or on some of the tools, do they need to be sharpened? Loppers, hedge trimmers and stuff like that. Saws, pruning saws, do they need to be sharpened and taken care of? Well, we're heading into wintertime, and some people in some areas, it gets too cold outside to do anything else. Bring some of those tools in and sharpen up the saws, do the file, whatever. The shovels, take your files or a grinder and trim up the edge. Clean it all up nice and neat so it actually cuts decently. I've seen some shovels where you're going along, you look at the edge, it's going up, and all of a sudden, there's a dingleberry in it where it hit a rock or something, and it bent a little bit. Straighten it out, make sure it will work good for you, and make it easier for you to dig in the spring. So that's what I'm talking about here. Go out, check your garden tools, examine them, see what needs to be fixed, and if it's beyond your capability to fix it, what needs to be replaced. And clean them up, treat them right, and so they'll last you another season, all right? And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish, and keep on prepping and taking care of your preps.